I like my hair looking crazy. Wow. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Who's back? Who's back? I'm back. Okay. All right. Compose yourself, session. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for 5 years. What has happened? I am finally back, and I will be hopefully uploading a lot more videos. I'll be uploading content related to beauty, maybe some mommy things, since I'm a mom now to a 2-year-old. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do the fluffy brow technique with soap technique. Fluffy brow soap technique, and using 2 different a powder and a brow flick to go in into the brow and just get that really nice fluffy look. It's not the only technique that I do to my eyebrows, but it's, you know, one of the latest ones, and I love it. So if you guys want to get this look, just keep watching. All right, so the first thing you want to do is grab your soap, wet it a little, grab your spoolie, and just kind of go in there. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good amount. Right, and then you're going to want to start working the soap into your brow. So once you're done with this, you're going to let it sit for a little bit so it dries before putting any product in. Okay, I'm going to do my other eyebrow. I definitely need to do my eyebrows, but you know, everything has been closed. I've been plucking my own eyebrows, not trying to mess it up too much. Actually, if you guys see how I used to do my eyebrows before, I'm gonna try to put a little bit of the video of when I used to do my eyebrows. Jesus Christ, it was terrible. I've been looking at that video and it's like, girl, what were you doing? They were so thin at the end. Now I definitely filled them in, and it is definitely not. Oh my God, what was I thinking? That was 5 years ago. Like I said, a lot has happened in 5 years. So I'm probably overdoing this, but you know, it's okay. All right, so this should be already done. So we're first gonna go in with the Glossier. I never know if I'm saying it right. So we're gonna go in with the Glossier brow flick. So it has a very thin tip, so it works wonderfully. Wonderful. Okay, let's stick with wonderful. All right, but I just start kind of like doing little strokes from the bottom. And I just want to kind of make it go in the same direction as where the hair is going. And then down here, to me, is the most difficult part. Oh, my arm hurts. Just because I don't want to put too much product. It's hard doing this with the camera because I want to make sure that you guys see it. But it's not looking too crazy right now. And I know this is not for everybody, this type of look, because trust me, for me, I absolutely hated it in the beginning. And I saw a lot of girls doing it, and it really grew into me. All right, so I'm gonna let that go for a second, and I'm gonna do this side. And my hair, I have to keep moving it to the other side, because if not, it's gonna get on the way. All right, this side should be easier because I don't have to cross my arm over. I really need to pluck these hairs right here. They are annoying the crap out of me. Oh, Jesus, that one hurt. All right, so that's looking pretty okay. Pretty fluffy. So after I'm done with that, then I just try to go in with the Anastasia brow powder and just fill in whatever little blank spots that need a little bit of help. So kind of start from the bottom, the same thing. I kind of flick to top, flick, 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 flick. And then for this side, I'm loving this side. Can you see that? Oh my God, I love it. Start from the bottom, up, these motions. Okay, and now we use some concealer. And for concealer, I'm just using the e.l.f. Satin Finish. And this is color Fair Beige. Okay. So just cleaning it up a little. Oh, cleaning it up a little bit. Moving the hair. I seriously just went over the eyebrow with the concealer. Oh, God. I'll fix it in a little bit. I'm just gonna grab some of my Miss Fix spray, my beauty blender, and just gonna blend that concealer so those harsh lines don't show. I think we're done, guys. That would be the final look for my eyebrows. I didn't do anything crazy on my face, so excuse the pimple. So that is it for the video. The fluffy brows, like I said, is not for everybody. You might not like it in the beginning. Trust me, it'll grow into you. It really did for me. It's not the only way that I do my eyebrows. I definitely do them a different way. I can have that video. I'll try to upload a video with the different ways that I do my eyebrows, but like I said, I've been loving this one. And give me some suggestions on what you want me to upload. Leave a comment. Let me know if you actually have tried this before, if you're planning on trying it. If you have any other suggestions or any other techniques, leave me a comment and let me know. I would love to hear how you guys do your eyebrows. But that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll be uploading videos more often now. No more being out for 5 years. I'm here to stay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next time, bye. Oh my god, this hair, these brows, this look, my glasses. Oh, hello. I look cute. I think I need to clean my glasses. Ugh, Jesus.